are you going? Were you trying to land on me, were you? That didn't work, did it? No, I would have had to have stuck my leg out for you to land on it. Look at all those little noisy miners, they're called. There's a lot of you, isn't there? Where did you all come from? My goodness. Alright, come on, Cookie. You must be hungry, hey? What's your problem? Now don't bite my fingers, okay? Because you guys hurt. You sure do. Look at you guys. Have you seen the movie The Birds? Hey? That's what you're reminding me of, you little tiny creatures. You got a bit, did you? Alright. I'll go down here and I'll throw some food out for you. There you go. Oh, lots of you. Hey, do you want some too? There you go. You're hungry today, aren't you? Couldn't you find any lizards to eat today? One more handful. There you go. It should keep you going till the morning, shouldn't it? Oops. I can't see who's at my feet. Oh, did you miss out, did you? Alright. One more handful. And then that's definitely it, okay? Is that a bit big, is it? You kill it. That's right. Oh, down the hatch. Alright. I'll see you tomorrow. Did you miss out, did you? If you're quick, there's still a few down there. But you'll have to be quick. Okay? I'm not putting any more out. You've had enough. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't look at me like that. I'll come back tomorrow. G'day guys, welcome back. I am going to do a jiggle paw in black, gold and white again, but I'm not using the Decoart gold because you guys know that the Decoart gold makes cells and like cloudy effects and it just goes crazy. So I'm using this gold because I want to concentrate more on clouds than the gold things that the gold makes. So this is the Sargent's acrylic metallic gold. It's pretty thin paint, so I've actually mixed it 2 parts paint to 1 part Floetrol. And the black is Artist Loft. I've mixed that 1-to-1 with Floetrol. The white is the Artist Loft white, 2 parts white, 1 part satin enamel, and then that is mixed 1 part white mix to 1 part Floetrol. So pretty basic today, just the 3 colours. And I'm going to lay on my cup and I'm going to get started because I don't want the gold to take over like it always does when I use the Decoart. It's fine when you want a particular design, but I don't want that today. I'm going to try for something a little bit different. So gold first. Gold first. Black first. A little bit of gold. I'm going to go for 3 layers. So I don't have to be as careful with this because it's not reactive like the other paint is. And then the white. Now because I've got black and white next to each other, I am going to get grey, but hopefully it won't be too bad. So I'm just basically pouring in equal amounts. And I think that'll do. I want to keep some black for the outside, and I need to keep some white for my puddle. Let's see, how much black will I need? All of it. Probably all of it, because I do want to keep the black around on the edge. So I may, well, hopefully I won't tilt everything over the edge. So I want to keep a black line around the outside if I possibly can. I don't know if it'll work or not, but that's what I'm going to aim for. Now I think what I'll do is I'll just finger paint the edges. It'll be faster for sure. I'm trying to do that with a spatula, so I'll just push some over the edge, rub it in, and hopefully that's got it. Can't see the back, I'll have to walk around later and see if I've missed anywhere. Hopefully that's got it. Let's try and smooth it as I can. There's a tiny little bit of black left in case I need it. Okay, now I'm going to do a jiggle pour into the center. Oh, I've got a lot of paint. I always get too much paint, you guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. This is way too much paint. Oh dear. Never mind. All right, here we go. I'm going to do the jiggle. So get nice and close so that I can make my folds. Oops, I'm going off to the side. I need to stay in the middle. Hopefully I won't lose all my gold. Okay, that will do. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Oh, what a shame I can't keep it like that. All right, give a bit of a torching. I so wanted to have the black around the edge, but I put white in the top, didn't I? See, I shouldn't have done that. You should always, if you want black on your edge, you should have black in the top when you layer your paints. You should have black on the top. That way you won't get that white ring, it'll just be black. That's what I should have done. Stopped at the black and then done my black around the outside. Live and learn. It's only paint, I can scrape it and do it again. With only, I was debating whether to use my little cup. This one, I probably should have, instead of the big one. Next time, I'll use the little one. I'll do a puddle and I'll do black around the edges. Because now the black's all going to go, unless I take it back to this black here. Anyway, let's see what happens. You go carefully round in a circle. I'll try and keep the black if I can. I don't know if it's going to be possible because it's such a lot of paint on there. No, it's not. I'm not doing it. Okay, that gold, I really want to keep that gold, which means I'm going to have to go up this way a little bit. I think I'll see if I can get up to this bit of black here. Yeah, way too much paint, you guys, way too much paint. But I'm on the right track here. So you can see that this one is totally different to when I did my pours with the Decoart gold. It doesn't bloom. It's the white that's blooming. Although you can hardly see the gold. So next time, and again, you know, every time you do this, you learn. So next time, cut down on the white because it really takes over. I'm going to take that off so I've got the black on the edge there, because it's a lot of paint and I don't need all that black, so I'm going to take it off. Maybe keep it there. That little white cell there's pretty cute. Oh, I'm losing my gold. Nobody told me I was losing my gold. All right, I'm just going to leave it like that. And definitely we'll do this again because I really love this. It's so much fun. But just, yeah, less paint, less white, more gold. Now I'll leave it for a few minutes, the video, and then I'll come back because I think we might have some more cells and things popping up. So I'll do that. That little bit of gold there, it's just sort of easing into the center, isn't it? So I like that. I like that I've got the black there. Yes, too much white. So cut down on that. What did I use? I used all my black. I probably need, I've still got a bit of white left in the bottom, so I will make up half that amount of white. I'll change it on my notes now, so that I've got the same amount of gold, the same amount of black, half the amount of white, and then we should be ready to go. We're good to go on the next one. But how cute is that? Love it. Right, I'm just going to pause the video, and I might make up some more paint. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Just wish I had more gold. I'm never happy, am I? Oh, let me climb up my squeaky ladder. Alright, is that focusing? Hope so. Right, oh, 10 minutes. That was a quickie, wasn't it? A quickie but a goodie. Right, I'll pause the video and I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Doesn't look as if it's done much. But yeah, it's really pretty. In the meantime, in the last 10 minutes, I mixed up some more paint. And I'll go again. As I said, I've reduced the white. Only made up half the amount of white. Look at those cute little white pearls there. Got some fingerlings. Would have been nice if I'd had some more gold through the centre there, but never mind. Hopefully next time I can keep more gold with reducing that amount of white, and hopefully have some more black around the edges, because that would be really pretty. Okay, so be sure to watch the next one. Hit that little notification bell, and you'll just make sure that yours is on for notifications, because there was an update or something and not all of them are notifying people. So just make sure that yours is on for notifications. And thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next black, white and gold very soon. Bye for now.